Hey guys, it's Toni. I'm one half of the Fleeky twins. Welcome back to our channel if you're not new, and if you are new, thank you for joining me today. So I do want to show you guys my makeup no makeup look, which is what I have on right now. It might not look like much, but when you see how I first start off, you'll see that I did add little things here and there to my face to make me pop when I don't want to do a full face of makeup, which is what I usually do Monday through Friday before I go to work, because just a full face for me is just too much. My skin won't enjoy it. I don't have enough time. My boss won't enjoy me being late. So this is what I do. And if you do want to see how I achieve this cute, simple, easy makeup no makeup look, make sure you keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do are your brows. The eyebrows will clean up your face so much to the point where you'll feel like I don't even have to do nothing. Once the eyebrows are snatched, baby. No, but for me at least, like once I do my eyebrows, I'm like, oh my god, my face just looks so much cleaner. I just look so much more put together. So for me, as you guys can see, I got struggle eyebrows, so I have to fill mine, and I use gel to do that, and then I'll use the concealer underneath. If you were blessed and you just have to go to the Chinese lady and get them waxed, or the Indian lady and get them threaded, and they look good, then do that. Or if you just use concealer on your brows, then you would do that. But for me, I'm gonna use my NYX gel and this Maybelline brush that I have for like years now. I don't even know where I got it from or how I got it, but I'm gonna use these two to fill in my brows. Okay, so now that it took me 5 hours to do my eyebrows off camera, and as you can see, it just cleaned up my face so much. Like the face just looks better instantly. I love brows. I typically don't leave the house without doing brows unless I'm leaving out with my glasses on. But anyway, so the next thing you want to do is take your favorite concealer that's the same shade as you, and you want to conceal any little blemishes you may have just to make the skin look more even. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but I do have like a little blemish right here that's trying to go away, and it's been trying to go away for like years now, that I'm gonna conceal. I'm just gonna dab that in, and then I do have a little one over here as well. That's probably also gonna take a little while to go away. And I do have some little ones over here, but those are so minuscule, so I'll leave those alone. But if you do have more blemishes than me, feel free to go crazy and just cover up any little imperfection that you may have, just to make the skin look a little more even. So the next thing you want to do is take your favorite mascara. Mine is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in the shade Black, and coat your top and bottom lashes. So I'm gonna do that. Mascara is just another like simple way just to make your face pop without doing too much, because if I don't wear mascara now, which is sad, like my eyes look so sleepy. People will tell me I look tired because they're so used to seeing me with mascara on that when I'm not wearing it, I look tired. And screw all of you. You should be telling me I look beautiful. This is why I'm wearing mascara every day. Got me scarred. And I'm a little sick too, so if you hear like a little hoarseness or raspiness or just nastiness in my voice, I'm not like congested or anything, thank God, and knock on wood, because I don't want to be sick in that way. But I do have like some crazy scratchy throat thing going on, and it's just highly annoying. I haven't been in front of the camera all summer. Summer's over now. It's just, I don't know, it's kind of strange being back in front of the camera. I miss it though. I missed it a lot. Okay, so I have my top lashes done. I'm just gonna do my bottom lashes real quick and come right back. Okay, so now that my lashes are done and my eyebrows are on and I concealed my little blemishes and I'm looking half decent, this is my favorite step of my makeup no makeup look. So I'm going to take this shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm taking the shade Hot Sand, and I'm going to highlight as if, you know, I have on a full face, but I don't. So I'm going to highlight the tip of my nose. And I love this highlighter. It's just like so shimmery. I'm going to do a little bit of the bridge of my nose. Just like in this little dip here. Gonna get my brow bone And you gotta be careful with this stuff because you could go crazy and then you'll look crazy and not even realize it. Because it's happened to me before. It's just, you go crazy with it. You just love it. And you just spread it all around. And then in the wrong light, you realize that the shit is just too much. I'm gonna go in my tear ducts. It's one of my favorite places to put highlight. And my hot sand is starting to hit pan and I'm so sick. Like, I'm so sick. I love this shade so much and I refuse to buy this whole palette over just for this one shade. Okay, I'm also gonna highlight my cheeks, but I'm gonna do that with my Wild and Radiant palette. I will show you guys the shade. Is this one right here. It's all broken up. I have a new one, but I refuse to waste what I have here, so I'm gonna use it until there's no more. So I'm gonna highlight the top of my cheeks. And the way highlight sits on your skin without makeup, oh my god, it's like a dream. It just melts right into your skin without makeup. And so then what I like to do is to go back into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit and go back into Hot Sand and put that on top. And just to give me like an extra pop. Oh, you can't really see it. That's disappointing. This is my favorite part of my makeup no makeup look. I love doing the highlight. I'm gonna put a little more just for the video's sake, even though I'm hitting pan. And lastly, you want to put on your favorite lip gloss or your favorite lipstick just to make your look pop. I already have on my lip gloss, but I can always do a little more, so I'm gonna do that. And this is my CoverGirl Melting Pout Glitz in the shade Double Platinum, 405 Double Platinum. I really like that. It just makes like whatever you have on pop. And then I just put a little bit of my Revlon lip gloss on top of that. It's in the shade Sky Pink. And there you have it. This is my makeup no makeup look. I think it's so simple and cute, and this is what I do every day before I go to work. I just feel like it's quick. You look like you have on makeup when you don't, and you just shine and you just pop. And you can't really see my highlight, but I promise you it's popping. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know that me and my Fleeky twin have not been here in a while, and we'll probably try to explain that in one of our other videos moving forward, but we're gonna try to be more consistent now. It's just, you know, life gets in the way and you kind of fall off, but we're gonna try to be back for good. So I hope you guys enjoy this makeup no makeup look. I hope you guys try it, and I hope you feel so cute on your way to work or school or wherever you're gonna use this look to go. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. We're gonna have way more content coming, and make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you think of my makeup no makeup look. Let me know what you do for your makeup no makeup look. If there's anything that I can add to my look, I'm always open for suggestions. And thank you guys so much for clicking this video. Thank you guys for spending time with me. I love you all, and I will see you next time. Mwah.